A severe Pacific storm brought strong winds, heavy rains and heavy snow to parts of California. The element has been raging since Wednesday, January 4. Blurred roads, traffic is partially paralyzed. Tens of thousands of homes along the coast were left without electricity and heat. Residents and intelligence agencies report floods, rockfalls and fallen trees. At least 2 people have been confirmed dead, one of them a child killed by a fallen sequoia tree. Weather forecasts are still disappointing. Meteorologists report a high probability of increased storm activity in the coming days. According to experts, the storm is caused by 2 superimposed phenomena: a huge airflow of dense moisture from the ocean, an atmospheric river, and a sprawling area of low pressure, that hurricane force of the so-called cyclone bomb.